We'll guide you through how to organize Google Drive efficiently using the latest features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive on your desktop. To start organizing, you need to create folders for different categories of your files, which you can do by clicking on the New button on the left side and selecting Folder. Name your folder something relevant, like Work Documents or Personal Files, then click Create. Once you have your folders set up, you can start moving files into them by simply dragging and dropping your files from the main Drive screen into the appropriate folders. If you're dealing with a lot of files, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific documents. Another great way to keep things tidy is by using color codes for your folders. Right-click on a folder, select Change Color, and pick a color that makes sense for you. This way, you can visually distinguish between different categories at a glance. Additionally, you can star important files or folders by right-clicking on them and selecting Add to Starred. This helps you quickly access your most used files by clicking on Starred in the left-hand menu. If collaboration is part of your workflow, you can right-click on a folder or file, choose Share, and then add the emails of the people you need to collaborate with. You can set permissions for each person, whether they can view, comment, or edit. Lastly, remember to periodically review and delete any files you no longer need. Use the search bar to find files by type or date, which can make the process quicker. Keeping your Google Drive organized will help you work more efficiently and find documents faster. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.